Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have received my next t-shirt from the Framed T-Shirt Club by Sarah. And I just noticed, this is hilarious, I just noticed that on the back, a big old sticker, it says, Yvette Niesel, large, ship. September T-Shirt Club. Okay. Now I told you guys that I would let you know about the fit of the shirt. So I made sure to wash it, and listen, full disclosure, I wash everything in hot, and I high heat dry everything, honestly, everything. So they send me something that says dry clean only, it gets thrown in the washer on high heat, because that's just how I roll. Anyway, and I thought that the shirt was fine. Typical what I would expect a size large to fit. And that was even after the wash. So that's my critique of the t-shirt. Fit as it should. And so here's the next one. Oh, this one says good vibes only. And it is a heather gray color. And it's short sleeve, and it's V-neck, which is awesome. I love a good V-neck. And there we go. And you know, it's like I get to a point where I'm thinking, do I want an extra large? Because you kind of want it to be like, but no, I don't think so. I'm not sure. Sometimes whenever it's like winter, I'll want to wear like another shirt underneath, like a long sleeve shirt, and then wear a short sleeve shirt on top of that to kind of have like a little bit of layering, but not too much because I don't like being hot. Y'all know that. But I'm not sure if I will like change it for the winter. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, it fit nicely. It really did. I'm gonna still keep giving it a go in just the large, and we'll see what happens. But very nice shirts, soft, very comfortable. I felt like the sizing was what it should be for a large women's shirt. And yeah, so let me know what you think about the t-shirts. Are you a t-shirt gal? Do you like having lots of t-shirts? I love t-shirts. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.